Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Rs3 and the BMW M3 Xdrive. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from their powerful engines to their driving dynamics. You'll learn about their performance figures, interior comfort, and overall practicality, helping you understand which high-performance sedan might be the better fit for your needs. When it comes to raw power, these two beasts deliver. The Audi Rs3 features a unique turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-5 engine, producing 401 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. The BMW M3 Xdrive, however, ups the ante with a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-6, generating 523 horsepower, launching it to 60 miles per hour in an incredible 2.8 seconds. Beyond straight-line speed, driving dynamics are key. The Audi Rs3 is known for its nimble feel and the thrilling sound of its 5-cylinder engine. The BMW M3 Xdrive, being a larger car, offers a more composed and stable ride, especially at higher speeds. Inside, the M3 generally provides a more spacious and luxurious cabin with higher quality materials, while the Rs3 is more compact. For daily driving, practicality matters. The Audi Rs3 provides about 11 cubic feet of trunk space, suitable for light errands. The BMW M3 Xdrive offers more versatility with approximately 16.9 cubic feet of cargo volume, making it more accommodating for families or longer trips. Pricing also differs, with the Rs3 starting around $64,695, while the M3 Xdrive begins at approximately $87,700. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.